Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In today's video, I will guide you step by step on how to check your monthly expenses in Paytm. If you want to track your spending and manage your budget, Paytm makes it simple. Let's dive in. Step 1 is open the Paytm app. First, open the Paytm app on your mobile device. Make sure you're logged into your account. Step 2 is go to your profile. Next, tap on the profile icon and you will see a menu with various options related to your account. Then step 3 is access the inserts or passbook. Scroll through the menu and look for inserts or passbook. If your app shows insert, tap on it. This is where Paytm provides an overview of your spending habits. Step 4 is check the monthly expenses section. In the Inserts section, you will see a breakdown of your monthly expenses. If you are in the Passbook section, look for a detailed transaction history. You can filter these transactions by date to see your monthly expenses. Step 5 is filter transactions by month if in Passbook. If you are in the Passbook, tap on the filter option, select a specific month and view all your transactions during that time. Step 6 is review categories and totals. Paytm often categorizes your expenses into groups like recharge, bills, shopping and more. This helps you understand where you are spending the most. Step 7 is export or save your expense report. This is optional. Some version of Paytm allow you to export your transaction history. Look for a download or export button just like here as you can see in this screenshot if you want to copy for your records. And that's it. Now you know how to check your monthly expenses in Paytm and stay on top of your spending. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more tips. See you in the next video.